The Aoyue 9378 Pro Soldering Station is a versatile and high-performance soldering tool offering up to 75 watts of system power for efficient soldering tasks. Equipped with a microprocessor-controlled digital interface, this soldering station ensures precise temperature control, adjustable to 1 degree Celsius, making it ideal for delicate electronic projects. The station features a convenient plug-in heating element, allowing users to easily replace it without the need for additional soldering, enhancing the product's longevity and ease of maintenance. Its intelligent functions such as digital offset for temperature calibration and an auto sleep function help in maintaining optimal performance while conserving energy. The configurable iron holder adds to its versatility, accommodating various tools like microtweezers and LED irons, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. With the inclusion of 10 soldering tips and a user-friendly interface, the Aoyue 9378 Pro Soldering Station is perfect for both professional technicians and hobbyists looking for reliability and precision.